Outdoor cooking in style. Setting up a courtyard kitchen in your rustic home. Transforming your outdoor space into a functional and stylish courtyard kitchen can elevate your rustic home, providing a perfect blend of nature and convenience. This guide will help you create an inviting outdoor cooking area that combines rustic charm with modern amenities. Layout and design. A well-planned layout enhances functionality and aesthetics. Consider these elements. Work zones. Divide the kitchen into distinct zones for prep, cooking, and cleaning. This will streamline the cooking process. Counter space. Ample counter space is essential for food preparation. Use durable materials like granite or stainless steel. Storage. Incorporate storage solutions such as cabinets, shelves, and drawers to keep your outdoor kitchen organized. Regular cleaning. Keep your outdoor kitchen clean and well-maintained. Grill maintenance. Clean your grill regularly to prevent buildup and ensure optimal performance. Countertop care. Wipe down countertops after each use to prevent staining and damage. Furniture care. Protect wooden furniture with weather-resistant treatments and store cushions when not in use. Conclusion: setting up a courtyard kitchen in your rustic home allows you to enjoy outdoor cooking in style. By carefully planning the layout, choosing the right features and appliances, and incorporating rustic aesthetics and sustainable practices, you can create a functional and inviting space. Whether you're grilling, baking, or simply relaxing with loved ones, your courtyard kitchen will be the heart of your rustic home.